Ground beef stroganoff is easy to make, pretty quick to get on the table, and ooh, is it ever good. We have 1 pound of lean ground beef that's been browned, the grease drained off, and set it aside. Did not wash the skillet. Then we've got a medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a medium carrot grated, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter in the same skillet. Cook them until the veggies are tender crisp. Took them out. Set them aside. Did not wash the skillet. Now, we want all the goodies that are left in that skillet in the broth. 1½ cups of bottled water with no sodium in it. 2 packages of herb ox beef bouillon, sodium free. My grocery store or Walmart. Also order it from Amazon and Healthy Heart Margarine. 1 teaspoon of kitchen bouquet browning and seasoning sauce, and a 1/4 cup of flour. All this is going to be whisked into the skillet. Get all those pieces in it. Subscribe to my channel, and every Friday there'll be a new low sodium video to help you keep your sodium low. I like American Beauty extra wide egg noodles, and I cook 16 ounces because I really like a lot of egg noodles with my, put a little stuff on top of it. I'm just real happy. The whole bag just has 40 milligrams of sodium. Check your labels, because some egg noodles have more, some don't. They're cooked, drained, washed, set aside with just about a tablespoon of canola oil drizzled on it, mix it up to keep them from clumping together. Good dinner coming your way. Got the broth here. Going to add the ground beef cooked. We're going to add the veggies that are cooked and stir them together. Oh my, that's looking good. Real good stuff. And I have 1 cup of Newton's Hampshire sour cream. 2 tablespoons. Has 10 milligrams of sodium. My grocery store and Walmart, several of the grocery stores carry it. But I've made my broth, and here it is. This is what the container looks like. Daisy's sour cream. Not the fat-free and not the low-fat, but the regular Daisy has 15 milligrams of sodium for 2 tablespoons. The Newton's has 10. I'm adding a whole cup of the Newton's, and that's 80 milligrams of sodium. If you can't find any, the Daisy's got 120, and that ends up really not being that much either, because we're going to have a lot of dinner. Oh, it's looking good. At this point, you can put this in your crock pot on low, just to keep it hot until you need it. And then you can add your sour cream to it, stir it up, and you got dinner. But we're not going to do that today, so we're just going to add the sour cream. And stir it up. That's one heck of a lot of dinner. So, folks, it's a big skillet. Got a lot of food in it. The whole total, for the whole thing, with what's in my skillet and the egg noodles, the whole thing, 466 milligrams of sodium. Oh, 6 really large servings come up to 77.66 milligrams each. 4 servings has less than 117 milligrams for a lot of food. This is a regular size dinner plate. It has a lot less than 1/6 of our batch of food on it. Easy to eat, nice to enjoy. Low sodium cooking does not have to be bland.